Today, on August 12, 2036, during the test of the emergency alert system, we've decided to share some concerning information to the public. According to newly found information, the universe is likely to end within the next 24 hours. Given the fact that this should be impossible, we are rapidly revising our work, and will come back to give you all new and proper information soon. We are now working with several other space organizations to fact-check this information, and we will come back with another public broadcast addressing the public whether the information is correct, but it most likely will not. And ladies and gentlemen, by all means, do not panic. If you'd like to see more information on the subject, visit NASA.org. Good day. This message will repeat and be replayed around the world in different languages. Ladies and gentlemen, it is confirmed that our previous information was correct. The universe will end in approximately 19 hours. We have no way to counter such an event, and have little to no idea what will happen. If you'd like to be aware of the possibilities, we have a list. Heat death of the universe. This is the most possible outcome. All energy will gradually fade away, and you will no longer see stars in the sky. The Big Crunch, the expansion of the universe will reverse, and everything will crash into each other, until there's nothing but pressurized matter the size of an atom. The Big Rip. The universe keeps expanding until dark matter rips us apart. Every little thing will tear itself apart, because gravity is no longer existent, or as powerful as it once was.